In this video, I'm going to talk about Zcal. This is the tool with the help of you can create these kind of the meeting bookings and get the links, share with your audience and get the meetings booked. Best part, you can also connect your payment gateway to accept the payments for the meeting. So this is the really good alternative of the TidyCal that is already available on the app Sumo. So in this video, not only I'm going to give you the features overview, I will also compare with the TidyCal what are the differences and whether you should get it or not compared to the TidyCal. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and without wasting any more time, let me get started. So this is the Zcal recently added on the app Sumo with the lifetime deal starting from the $49. If you get its lifetime deal, this is the page where you are going to log in. So creating your meeting is really easy. All you need to create these kind of the 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever the time frame you can create it here, and after that you have to connect your link with the whether you want to accept the meetings with the Google Meet, Zoom, whatever the option. It has the integrations available. You can add the description, and after that you will get this URL here, and based on this URL, when you open it, this is how your meeting page will look like. Here your viewer or audience can select the date, and after that time will appear. Select the time, enter the questions like the full name, emails. You can also add the more questions here, and after that meeting will be booked here. So pretty much easy and so much effortless here. Now let me talk about what are the features available. First of all, you can customize your availability with the timings and the holidays. And if I go to team members, here you can add more teams to creating the meetings with your team along with your audience or your members here. Okay, then let me go to the accounts, because here we are going to talk about the integrations. So if we have the Zoom connectivity available as well along with the Microsoft Teams, we can connect with our Zapier automation for the different kind of the workflows or getting the data from one place to another place. Then for the payments, it is option available, that is the Stripe. Then for the analytics, we have the Google Analytics and the Meta Pixels. So all the major integrations available here, so that is the good part. And let me go to the one extra feature that I liked really good here, along with the appearance. Like you can see, this is the appearance in the light mode, and there's the blue tone available here. But if I go here on the text accent, you can see we have the also dark mode available with the different colors and the schemes. We can also edit this theme here with the font or with our style. So that is the also really good part. And let me also tell you one thing that I like, that is the adding this let me go to that function so I can show you. So I have to go to the I think main option. Then after that, let me open any of the meetings that I have created. Then here you can see I can add image or video. Suppose you have the video available that where you are talking something or getting the interest of your audience so that they can encourage to book the meeting, you can add it here. Plus it has also the image option available. So for me, uploading my videos, that can be a sales letter I'm talking about, or I am creating a encouragement in the my audience so that they can instantly book the meeting with me. That function I liked it here really much. So all you have to just simply select the file, upload it here, and after that video will be available on your meeting page. So that is the best part. Okay, so this is the Zcal. I have talked about all the major features available in this tool. The pricing is just $49, and if I go to the plans and features, let me show you what are the functions you will get the unlocked. So this is available only for the 3 team members or the users, and you can see all the features unlocked here, whether you will go with the tier 1 or the tier 4. The only differences you will see in the users limit. Okay, now let me compare it with the TidyCal. So TidyCal pricing is the $39. I have already created the multiple videos on the TidyCal. You can watch them, or there's the already videos available. So you can see my primary tool here for the meeting books is the TidyCal I am using right now. And what I liked here, along with all the features I have showed you in the Zcal, we have all the same functions available here. But the feature that makes me really encouraged to stay in the TidyCal is its integration with the Sandfox or the Breeze Dog. So these are the other tools developed by the same team of the app Sumo. So the integrations and the data transfer with them is the seamless. That's why I loved the TidyCal here. But if you don't have these tools along with the TidyCal, what I suggest, you can get the Zcal. This is the preferable thing or the first notice I want to talk about. Plus there's no feature available like I have showed you here to adding the your video, that is the sales letter, or you are talking something about in your booking page, you can add in the Zcal, but in the TidyCal that feature is not available. So that is the extra thing Zcal we have the offering. So right now, if you don't have the Sandfox or the BreezeDog or the same family tools here with the TidyCal, then I suggest Zcal is the individual tool is good for you. But if you have the Sandfox or the BreezeDog or the TidyCal, all these tools with available, then for the seamless data transfer or the integration, I suggest TidyCal is still the best option for you. Okay, so that's all for today's video I want to talk about. And one more thing, TidyCal pricing is $10 $10 less here compared to Zcal. But if we compare here on the plans, you can see no team members options available here. So to get the team members, you have to pay them extra. Okay, so that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed this detailed video on the Zcal and a comparison with the TidyCal. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.